Look bro, I thought I was being so smart. I was wrong. Honestly, I get it. You see the price of proper stack and your brain just goes
Nope, too expensive.
and you start thinking, I'll just buy a cheap flight controller and 4 separate ESCs. I'll save like 40%. Yeah, I did the same thing. It feels like a genius move, like you are hacking a system. You are being smart with your money. Trust me, I've been there. But then, you actually have to build the thing. And you realize, you have to wire 4 separate ESCs with one flight controller. That's not a build bro, that's a nightmare. So I'm soldering and wiring is a mess. I finally get it in the air and it flies like a garbage. Floaty. You know that feeling? Yeah, that. Then, I find out the cheap ESC doesn't support DSHOT protocol. No DSHOT means no turtle mode, no multi-direction, nothing. You are flying a brick from 2018 and then, one by one, the parts just start burning up. You buy one replacement, then another, and before you know it, you spend double the money. But the real moment that made me change everything was at public event. I was flying and the drone just loses its mind. It dropped out of the sky. It hits the ground right next to an uncle sitting in the audience. Missed him by inches. He just looked at me. No expression. Just looks. That's when I finally said, enough. I bought a proper integrated stack. A real one. Bro, the difference was instant. DSHOT worked. Turtle mode worked. The flight field was completely transformed. It felt like I was flying a real FPV drone for the first time. I spent once. Properly. And I never had to replace the burned out part again. So yeah, cheap part feels smart. But they cost you in money, in features, in flight feel, and sometimes in a very awkward moment with an uncle. Skill comes from a good equipment and practice together. Spend right once. Your wallet will thank you. Anyway, if you are building your first FPV quad, just get the proper components. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.